So as you're in the process of reinventing your life, write a description of the kind of person that you want to be. What are the things that you must overcome? What qualities about your personality you know that you're going to have to change, because those particular characteristics are liabilities to you? What are your assets? What are your strong points? Look at and evaluating yourself to make that determination.
Hey guys, thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I want to talk about Newbies on Fire. A lot of people saying they're struggling in it. They don't know how to get sales. They don't know how to get leads into their business. I'm finna just show you exactly what you need to do to be able to make this money basically by today. You guys, especially if you want to join, my link is at the bottom. Only thing you have to do is just sign up. And once you sign up, it's going to bring you to a page like this, and you just pick your product. Each product is different. Of course, if you start at the $25 level, you're going to get paid $25 commission. If you start at the $100 level, you can get paid $100 commission and $25 commission. If you start at the $250 level, the advanced level, you can get paid $250, $100, and $25 commission. And of course, the elite, if your pockets are big, I suggest you to go here. But if not, you could choose the $100 or the $25 just to get started. But of course, if you want to position yourself to make the most commissions possible, you can actually just go ahead and get started with the $500, so you could easily get paid $250, $100, $25, and $500 commission. And you can make these commissions in one day. People are doing it all the time. And then once you get your product, you're going to take your link. You're going to come in your back office. You're going to get a link. You can actually come to tools. You can actually come to your pages. And once you come to page, you want to click a capture page. All of them pre-written. They're high converting. You don't have to do nothing. Just grab these links, any link that you want. And then we want to come to Facebook. And once you get to Facebook, you want to add groups. You want to come into work from home groups, work from home opportunities. I'm just using this as an example, but you want to basically come into groups and start adding groups. You don't want to add what it's like a 700 posts. You can, it just depends on how many people in the group. So you want groups that does have a couple of thousand in them, like more than 5,000 people active in the group. So this group right here, I don't even see how many people in here, but you come down to right here, you see this has 59,000 people in it. This one has 21,000 people. You just join groups that have that many people in it, and basically that is active. And you just go down and just join hundreds of groups. And these are my groups in this business, in this work from home opportunities. You see all these groups that I'm in. So I'll just come in here, take that link. Remember that link will get you? Just remember, have that on deck. And you come in here and you'll post an ad. You'll post an ad just like this young lady. Post an ad. And I have plenty ads for you. Actually right here. Just come over here. I have at least 100 some ads for you to use. You'll post these ads in these groups, and people are going to comment. And once they comment, you make sure you hit them with this link in their inbox, or whatever link you want to use. Link that to send that to their inbox, and that's it. And then once you get done with that, you can do that. If you can't do that, this business not for you. But if you can just post ads like this to multiple groups, like multiple, you can do like 25 in an hour, a couple a day. I would say posting 100 groups a day. If you post 100 groups a day, at least one person is going to purchase one of these products from you. That's guaranteed. That's how it's going to work. Now, if you still have people asking for information and you sending them your link, what you want to do now is cool. What Newbies on Fire have, they have the email broadcast. So you're going to have all your leads, and you're going to be able to broadcast email to them, and you can do this daily. And also I have that as well. I can give you emails. Once you get started, I'll give you emails that you can use daily to send to your prospects. And that's how you're going to make money on autopilot. And that's it. And the reason why I want to share this opportunity with y'all, because it is just now started. It started back in like November or sometime. So it's just a couple of months old. You see, we right now, this is our private group. We have 600 something members in the group right now. And not alone, you're going to get the Newbies on Fire training. You're going to get the Get Started units as well, where you can come in here, you click on that, and you just follow the steps, especially if you don't know nothing about internet marketing or how to make money online. You just follow the steps and take it seriously, because you can, let me just show you. Let me just scroll down. And I know people throw proof. $875 today. That what Kelly and Jonathan made. So, you know, that's possible. Regular individuals and people coming in making, another young lady made $25 off the course. And it was yesterday. That's it. And they just doing the same thing. Sharing, posting our ads to Facebook groups, sending them the messages, following up, and making sales. So if you can do $25 a day, that's $125 a week. You know, $150 a week, $100 a week. Whatever you need, it's there possible. And once you get the training, it's going to be a lot simpler, and it's just going to get a lot of gravy. So hopefully y'all find value in this video. If you want to get started, click the link below. It's easy sign up. If you got more questions, holler at me. But that's how simple it is to make money with Newbies on Fire. We just post it in groups, sending emails, just follow up emails, and the funds just come in. Look at it. Trying to make $500 in one day, $1,400 in 1 week. It's just that simple, man. People coming in making all type of crazy stuff. That's what's up, man. Hopefully y'all found value in this video. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right, peace.